how to select who can see your status on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to select who can see your status on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp. Here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find the account. Click on it and then just click privacy, and now click status, and now all you need to do is just click only share with and select them, and then just click done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.